Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have another vlog. Today is my fiance's birthday, so we are going to celebrate it. He doesn't know what we're doing, but yeah, his cake actually just arrived. And happy Women's Day, guys. Happy Women's Day to all the women out there. But yeah, here's his cake and stuff. I'll show you guys a proper video of it once once it's opened. But we're gonna go on a helicopter ride, but angazi ukuthi izoyenzeka, guys, because of the weather. It's a bit teka-taking. And then we're gonna go to the Northcliff for lunch. So yeah, right now I want to get ready. I'm gonna get ready off camera because I'm running late already. And then that's my that we're doing is that
proceed to the route.
But we're going on a helicopter ride, basically. So it's good. Guys, this is so boring, né? Then walk all the way up. Like, I'm so bored, guys. I don't want to lie. I'm so bored because now I'm looking so pretty and I have to walk. I'll show you my outfit other day, but this is very boring.
Melt.
Huh? My makeup melts. I would talk what man. You don't know who you are talking to. Yeah? Guys, it's been walking. So we just got our tickets. Ningathathi number. That's what we're doing. OOTD. Hoko Maguda. Not wearing my shoes yet, starts. No, you can't turn the screen. This is for YouTube. So I have to be like this. Now that's what I tripod. So you're gonna be my tripod for the day. But I should have redone my lips. But I left the gloss in the car. So it is what it is. Right?
Mm-hmm.
that experience was nice. I don't want to lie, but I was pissing my pants. The whole time I was pissing my pants. Because what do you mean when it turns, it does the door opened? We got to go screamer, but so I would do it again.
You're agreeing to bringing Bobby?
No, my child is afraid of heights. You want to traumatize her?
Turn left onto Nazareth Road.
Baby, come on.
Happy birthday. Thank you. You busy taking a picture of your pizza?
I'm taking a video, my love.
Taking a video of me?
Yes, baby.
Ke tumbile wona fela.
Gentlemen, come